His hand got stuck.
I love how he's... Is he looking to eat more? Look at him smacking his lips together. Hi. Hi. He just gave me the biggest smile before. I wish we could have had a picture.
You didn't have a camera?
It was too fast for me to pick it up.
I'm videotaping me. Bless you.
I can't believe he's getting so big. He's talking.
I know. He so desperately wants to more than he can. He's doing it to his hand.
Yeah.
Look, there he goes. The nostrils are flaring.
Hi.
He took to mama.
Hi. Tell me all your problems.
I have a headache.
Tell me what's wrong. You're naked. It's tough for you. You're trying to make another duty.
Look at the kicking going on here.
Look at everything. Hi.
He's so excited.
Get Alex over here right now.
Alex? I can't move. I have a camera in my hand.
I'm going to call him. Hi.
Doing Sadie. You know. Is that a cry?